Alright, here we are today checking out this beautiful old elementary school. It was built in 1915 and only really operated for around 50 years. Let's check it out. I have a little more history to share as well. Here's the front of the school. The beautiful transom over the door. Wow, look at the tin ceilings. This school is pretty interesting. The school was actually built in 1915. Interestingly, it was a segregated school, and it stayed open until about the 1960s when the Jim Crow laws and segregation ended in the South. It's a pretty fascinating old place. Kind of a dark part of history, but no doubt an interesting elementary school. My elementary school was definitely not this fancy when I was a kid. Pretty cool. Still has the chalkboards. Look, this room has the cool tin ceilings as well. It's pretty rusty. Man, just imagine this was a classroom. Old radiators. Look how you can pull the windows up. Another interesting fact about this school is it was one of the first in the county to have indoor plumbing and working toilets and stuff, which I will show you. The toilets are still out back. They're very cool looking. They kind of have like an Art Deco, like Victorian, Gilded Age vibe to them. A little closet for the classroom. Look at the cool transom. You could make it open and close. That metal lever. The transom got busted out. All right, here's classroom number 2. Much more empty. This classroom's actually missing its chalkboard. Still has those cool tin ceilings. Oh no. Well, at least there's no basement. I'd say it's built about a foot off the ground. Every classroom had a closet. All right, let's keep moving on. Over through there is the bathroom stalls in the back of the school. All right, let's move to the right. Wonder why they put bars over the windows. This place has been sitting here rotting away for the last 30, 40 years now. The floor in here is actually kind of rough. Oh, yeah, I can feel it over there. Activity. I don't really trust the graffiti. Wow. Holy cow. Oh, man. What is that? Some strange paneling. I really don't want to walk in here. The whole floor is dipping down. The foundation is dry rotten. Looks like a pastel or something for art. Let me show you these cool old vintage antique toilets. Would have been pretty handy back in the early 1900s. Oh, wow. Interesting. Huh. Wow, a bathtub? This isn't what I wanted to show you. It's on this side, sorry. Look through here. Check this out. And that's something else. Look how they're welded. It's just too cool, isn't it? Wow. Train's going by. All right, let's take a peek at the 4 upstairs classrooms. I think last time I was here, there was a vulture up here. Let's hope he's not still here. The train is still going. Probably can't see it from here though. Even the upstairs has the cool metal tin ceiling. It's pretty cool. Okay. Wow. Some major rotten floors up here. Okay. Huh, wonder what the purpose of that would have been. More of those cool old chairs. Beautiful. Oh, would you look at that? It's one of the first rooms I've seen that didn't have metal ceilings. Huh. Okay, let's take a look. What's through here? Nothing. It smells like vulture really bad up here. Ugh. Okay. 2 more rooms. Huh. Jammed. Huh. Wonder if I can get through this one. Maybe they connect. Hopefully this one's open. Cool. Oh, even a kitchen upstairs. This was cooking class. Pretty soon that's going to end up downstairs. That's in another year or 2 probably. It's like just some junk someone brought in. Oh, there is a doorway. I don't know if I showed this room last time I was here. Be careful. Oh, okay. There we go. What a neat old place. Lots of shelves in this room.